All right, to break and edit a line, you can see here I have it's basically just a polyline. So I'm gonna either use on the CAD tab the break line, or I can right click and select break line. If break line isn't shown here, then you'd go up and break it from up here. But if I break the line at anywhere along the line, I'm going to pick this point right here. You can see it splits the line. So when I close that, now and it's still selected this one, if I right click and I go to edit, there's the start of the line with the first glyph there. And if I move my cursor over, it highlights the line, and I can highlight this line, which is the one I actually want to move and edit the end location of it. So when I left click once, it selects that line. Over here you can see that I can either set the elevation or the coordinate, but if I left click again, what it does is it actually lets me move the location of this line. So now I can come over here and set that as the new coordinate. If I want to just edit the elevation, I could come in here and type that, and it becomes a line string. I can edit that elevation. So if I close this and I select this line, the start of that line is over here. So if I right click and edit on that one, you can see that same idea, as it's located that point. If I left click once, it's letting me you can see it's highlighting the coordinate. So if I move and pick that point here, it moves the start point of that line without moving the rest of the line string.